This is going to seem a little alarming. Okay, so I ran into my first problem. Try not to shred my thumb. Hi guys, welcome to overcast but very hot and blessedly dry today, Costa Rica. I'm on day 2 of the second stage of our bedroom build. Today I'll be figuring out how I'm going to be making my joints. I have to create a floor frame on top of the post that we installed so that I can install the floor joists, but I'm going to be welding corners together and welding them to the top of the post, so I want to try to make them as secure as I can. So I'm going to be practicing my joints today and figuring out how best to get these attached. I've been watching a ton of videos on YouTube. I've been doing a bunch of sketches, but now it's time for me to get my hands on and see if I can physically make it work. Okay, wish me luck.